Understanding Stone Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stone workshop. This might be a new term for many of you, so we're excited to delve into its meaning and usage. Remember, understanding such phrases is key to enhancing your English skills. First, let's break down the phrase, stone workshop. A workshop is a room or building where work, especially of an artistic or mechanical kind, is done. The word stone, in this context, refers to the material primarily dealt with in the workshop. So, a stone workshop is essentially a place where stone is crafted or sculpted. To better understand how to use stone workshop in a sentence, here are a few examples. The sculptor spent hours in the stone workshop, perfecting his masterpiece. During our trip to Italy, we visited an ancient stone workshop where marble statues were made. These examples show the phrase in practical use, helping you understand its context. The concept of a stone workshop has historical and cultural significance. Many ancient civilizations had stone workshops where artisans created sculptures and buildings. Understanding this phrase can also give you insight into human history and art. Today, stone workshops might not be as common, but they still exist. They are often places where artisans create custom pieces for modern architecture, art, or design. This shows the evolution and continued relevance of such crafts. We hope this explanation of stone workshop has been enlightening. Phrases like these enrich your understanding of the English language and its nuances. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using phrases like stone workshop confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.